Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Intel crashes with Q2 results and layoffs. Minnesota pioneers flying cars. Apple exceeds Q3 expectations. Amazon's mixed Q2 with AWS growth. Hercules Capital's latest report. Chip stocks dip as Intel looms. Mercado Libre shines in LATAM e-commerce. And Eli Lilly addresses weight loss drug shortage. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more. Intel shares fell 10.5% after weak guidance and second quarter results. The company will cut 15% of its workforce and suspend its dividend. Third quarter revenue is expected between $12.5 billion and $13.5 billion, below analysts' expectations of $14.39 billion, with a loss of 30 cents per share anticipated.
Minnesota is now the second state to implement flying car regulations, following New Hampshire's 2020 legislation. The new law allows roadable aircraft to be registered as motor vehicles using their tail numbers. These vehicles must take off and land at airfields and follow Federal Aviation Administration rules.
Apple shares rose slightly in extended trading after reporting fiscal third quarter results that exceeded expectations. Apple earned $1.40 per share on $85.78 billion in revenue, driven by strong iPhone sales of $39.3 billion. The company's iPad and Mac businesses grew 24% and 2.5%, respectively, while services revenue increased 14%. Wearables generated $8.1 billion, despite a slight decline year over year. Revenue from Greater China fell 6.5% to $14.73 billion, below forecasts. CEO Tim Cook highlighted upcoming artificial intelligence tools and ongoing investments in innovation during the earnings call at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today.
Amazon shares dropped 6% after mixed second quarter earnings and third quarter guidance. Revenue outlook missed Wall Street expectations, but Amazon Web Services grew by 19%, exceeding forecasts. The company earned $1.26 per share, with revenue increasing by 10.2% to $148 billion, falling short of estimates by $760 million.
Hercules Capital reported second quarter net investment income per share of 51 cents and total investment income of $125 million, up 7.5% year over year. The company achieved record gross fundings of $461.5 million, a 28.7% increase, with total commitments at $686.5 million and assets under management rising 14.7% to approximately $4.6 billion.
Semiconductor stocks dropped Thursday despite strong results earlier in the week. Qualcomm shares fell nearly 10% due to cautious smartphone market comments. Advanced Micro Devices shares declined over 6%, while Nvidia dropped 5%. Intel, ARM Holdings, Micron, Broadcom, Texas Instruments, Analog Devices, and ON Semiconductor also saw declines. Apple shares fell 1.5%.
Latin American e-commerce giant Mercado Libre reported strong second quarter results, driven by rapid growth in Brazil and Mexico. Shares rose 12% to $1,800 after hours on Nasdaq. Revenue surged 53%, with net income at $531 million. Earnings per share were $10.48, beating expectations of $8.34.
Eli Lilly's popular weight loss drug, Zepbound, will soon be back in stock in the U.S., ending a months-long shortage. This news caused Hims & Hers Health shares to drop sharply. Eli Lilly CEO David Ricks confirmed the supply issue will be resolved imminently.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates on the world of business. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.